Good day, or whenever you listen to this, or night. I'm recording a meditation we've thought about so far, if you've been listening to mine, about acknowledging that, it's really when you take time to do a little practice for yourself, it benefits the world as well, and it's kind of special. Here I'm going to talk about appreciating a bit of goodness. If you go out in nature, you're with your family, you can connect. There's so much going on in the world. You can get overwhelmed and lose sight of beauty, and I think it's important to connect with that. And we're part of that beauty too. We put good into the world, and appreciating that, appreciating the people that have put good into our lives. And so here we're doing just a contemplation of all the people that made it possible for us to smile, to enjoy things in life, as well as nature, all the people that helped put food on our table. And if you can, either watch a nature video, get out in nature if you can. There's something inherently beautiful that helps bring out these qualities. So we'll sit for a while. You can listen to the wind in the trees, and any birds and animals. I've rotated my screen just to show the forest. Now check in with your body. Are you feeling fatigued or full of many thoughts? Sometimes it's just not ideal to push too hard. So sometimes you need to bring a little relaxation in. That's why I'm having the nature today. And now if you can bring your attention to your breath, maybe taking 3 deep breaths. Keeping your mind and attention from wandering too far in a daydream, and if it does, that's fine. Just gently return. And if you have any really strong feelings, maybe reflect, where is that happening in my body? With a little bit of attention that we've just cultivated, we can start to bring our mind in a curious way, curiously looking at, when I have that type of sensation, it's related to this emotion, or vice versa. And that's the first step to managing those emotions so they don't get too carried away and hurt ourselves or others. And gradually I'll lengthen these. But it's good, if you're beginning meditation, to leave wanting more and not feel like you've pushed yourself too hard. It should be a joyful experience. It won't always be super happy. That's not what I mean by joy. But it should be should leave on a note where you feel like, yeah, it's okay. If you had a difficult emotion, hey, I'm proud of myself for sitting here with it. And so taking time to connect with that gratitude and making an aspiration that, not trying to make a big leap and totally overcome all difficulties or difficult aspects about ourselves. We just want to make a little progress. We're not trying to be perfect here. And thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.